नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स इन इकोनॉमिक्स। अब स्टैटिस्टिक्स की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है वो हमने स्टडी करना। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ क्वांटिटेटिव एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम। जितनी भी इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स है उनका हमने क्या देखना है, क्वांटिटेटिव एक्सप्रेशन मीन्स वी विल टेक अ डाटा विच इज़ related with numerical form. For example, if there is unemployment, how much is unemployment, how much percent is there, we will calculate. It is known as numerical expression. Second point, intersectoral and intertemporal comparison. Intersectoral means where we will take comparison agriculture and industrial. We will take comparison different sectoral of economy. यहाँ पर हमने different sector लेने हैं. Intersectoral means we will take different sector. हमने कौन सा कंपैरिजन लिया है, एग्रीकल्चर और इंडस्ट्री का। जैसे इनका प्रॉफिट देखना कि हमें कितनी ग्रोथ हो रही है, जीडीपी इंक्रीज़ हो रही है या क्या, किसके थ्रू हो रही है, एग्रीकल्चर के थ्रू इंक्रीज़ हो रही है कि इंडस्ट्री के थ्रू इंक्रीज़ हो रही है, इकॉनमी देखनी है हमें। तो ये क्या होगा, इंटरसेक्टरल। एंड सेकेंड इज़ इंटरटेम्परल कंपैरिजन। Intertemporal comparison means we will take comparison with the years. For example, 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998. These are years. These are different years, and we will take comparison. Okay, comparison we can take profit of any form with the different years. Population, unemployed workers, unemployed population, we will take comparison with the year, and it is known as intertemporal comparison. Next point, working out cause and effect relationship. Economics try to find out what are the cause and what will the effect. We are taking different set of data. This enables them to attempt effective diagnosis of the problem. Accordingly, they will suggest effective remedies. For example, an economics come to know that it is because of decline in demand that investment in economy has tended to shrink. They can suggest the government to adopt such measures as would increase the level of demand in economy. They will follow the different criteria to increase the level of demand in the economy. They will follow the different concept and find out what is the cause for increasing and what will the effect. Next point is construction of economic theory or economic models. What is economic theory? It is established statistical relation between different sets of statistical data. For example, price of commodity and its demand. As you know, when price is increases, then demand goes to decreases. When price decreases, then demand goes to increase. And we will study here the theory of economics, and it is based on statistical experimentation. Next point is economic forecasting. Yes. Next point, economic forecasting means here we will forecast what will in the future is the price will increases and what will affect on the demand of that commodity, of a particular commodity. We will estimate it. So economic is based on forecasting, not on the base of astrological prediction. It is based on economic forecasting means what will the price level on of the commodity at the different years. Next point is formulation of policies. How does finance minister decide to increase or decrease taxation as a source of government revenue? It is only through the help of statistical study. They will formulate the policies. They will see per capita income of the peoples, and then they will apply the policy, formulate the policies, how to collect the tax, how much there should be tax, what should be rate of tax. They are fixed according to income of the peoples. Seventh point is economic equilibrium. In this point, there is a balance between producer and consumer. Equilibrium means balance, where both producer and customer get maximum satisfaction, and it should be equilibrium point where the consumer find maximum satisfaction and producer also find maximum satisfaction with the help of profit. They want to earn more profit and get maximum satisfaction, and consumer want to get more satisfaction with the purchasing of the product and find out their satisfaction. Now this chapter is over and you can study MCQ from your book. These are MCQ. You can study, then it's a very important chapter and revise it. Okay students.